Welcome back to the channel. We're just checking into Disney's Beach Club. We're only staying here one night and I had to show you what our room looks like. Alright, so if you've never stayed here before, you're in for a treat. I had to show you what it's like inside one of the most charming and conveniently located resorts over here at Walt Disney World. Alright, so when you first walk into the right, you have a beautiful bathroom. They really did a great job here. Glass sliding doors, I love these. I love the little stone work there, and we have the formerly known as H2O products. And there is a door here with a full-length mirror to give some extra privacy. Now, one thing I will note is that a lot of the resorts, like especially even the value resorts, will have a sliding barn door to separate so you could get ready in the morning without disturbing your family, but it seems like that was missing from this resort. So just a little tip if that's important to you. Then when we walk into the left, we have an adorable, look at how adorable that is, Mickey and Minnie at the beach. Okay, so sorry, we have a little bit of mess because we just checked in. So we have a Keurig here, which is excellent. So I don't have to worry about getting my coffee in the morning. And actually I might get one now to save some money. So we have a sliding out drawer here. It looks like you could probably keep some things. And here we have a beverage cooler. Okay, so if you've never seen one of my room tour videos before, you'll note that beverage cooler does just keep things cool. It doesn't keep things cold, so you want to be extra careful with things like milk, yogurt, stuff that could go bad because by the morning it will be sour. So just something to keep in mind. All right, back to the room tour. We have a steamer. I'm so excited about that. We've stayed at a lot of deluxe resorts lately and not all of them have this steamer, so that is an added perk for being here. It's great for doing those princess outfits. Up top we have extra pillow and blanket. I love this light wood, very beach themed. We have a safe here and a luggage rack that we already are using temporarily here. And then let's see, we already went over the bathroom. Here's my toddler. So over here we have the thermostat. Now do we have, it looks like they're missing some plugs here. I will get into that in a second. So we have an outlet here at the bottom, but it's kind of interesting. There's no nightstand on the right side, which there usually is a lot. I guess they're just relying on the nightstand from the middle. We have a picture of Daisy here eating some beaches and cream probably while she's overlooking the pool that happens to be closed for us right now. Now this I'm so in love with. I think this might be even more pretty than the one at the Grand. I really love this headboard. Very pretty. And there's like a seashells inside here. Very nice. I really like that. That's so pretty. All right, now over here, like I was saying, that it seems like we're missing some space for holding your cell phones and everything at night. And unfortunately, the Hey Disney, which is like your friend Alexa at home, it's taking up some space. I'm not quite sure how to help you with that. Now, without saying the name, it works just like your one at home, and it's automatically set to disabled. We turned ours on when we got in here, but you don't have to worry if you don't want them to listen. It's already turned off, but you could ask the weather, you could ask what the park hours are, pretty much everything. It tells jokes, all the things. All right, so then we have two drawers here with the Bible. Pretty nice sized drawers. You can keep your laptop or some books or maybe even some packing cubes. Now, one thing that is great where Disney is migrating to are a lot of these beds are lofted, so you can easily slide all your family's luggage in there. And then this is like a cute little place to put your shoes on, shoes off, all the things. All right, so now this is our TV stand. If you notice, it is my birthday. We are here celebrating my birthday. So I really like that this has like a higher shelf actually, so you can put things that you don't want your little ones to get into. And under here on both sides we have two USBs 2 regular outlets and the same thing on this side. It's a little dark under there. You'll have to trust me. And then we have lots of drawer space, again, to put all your packing cubes. This goes pretty deep. It's pretty dark. You're not gonna be able to probably see it in the video, but really nice. And we have your garbage and recycling. Oh, and this is actually really great. So beside the chair that my daughter is pulling out, it looks like we have like a little coffee table that pulls out. So just to give yourself some more room, I imagine you could probably bring this over to that other little chair that we were just talking about. So that's very cool. Space saving. And this on the desk here, we also have another 2 outlet plugs. We have a USB, and then we also have the new one, so you can charge your phone directly right into there. So that's cool. We have a lamp.
Mommy, I'm watching the news.
I was looking for some hidden Mickeys, but it looks like we've got like a fish print.
Mommy, look.
Oh yes. Very nice.
We ready to go together.
And then here, we were lucky enough to get a balcony. Now, I've stayed at a lot of resorts, and this is probably the smallest balcony we have here. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell from the video, but it's literally, there's not even enough room for a chair out here. But nonetheless, it's nice, and I can sit out here tonight, I can sit out here in the morning, have my coffee, so really excited about that. Well, we are checking in during the middle of the day, so they're kind of like doing their package deliveries and housekeeping. But yeah, it's not too bad for a resort. I just booked a standard resort view room. Hey, Mama, let's come in. All right, so this is beautiful. This is really nice. We have been putting off staying here, and especially because they were undergoing refurbishment, I wasn't sure if I should pull the trigger and go here, but I'm like, you know what, it's my birthday, let's go here for one day. So I really like it. My only complaint, I think, would be the small balcony. It's a little odd that they don't have them as big even as like the yacht club or whatever, but not a deal breaker. It's fine. It's also humid outside, if you can't tell. But yeah, tons of space for like a family. Beautiful, great smell in the lobby downstairs. Everyone was nice. We managed to get into our room already at like 10 a.m. It was ready, so it was perfect. So now we can hit the parks. Anyway, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. If we're not already friends, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share a lot of Disney content on my channel. I do other room tours you can look at. I take my toddler, Lucia, to Disney multiple times a year. I have an annual pass, so we're here about 3, 4, 5 times a year. We're not at Disney. We do other things like home vlogs, decorating for Christmas, and all that.
Please
so
take this off.
If that's the kind of content you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. It really does help support the channel. It shows YouTube that you like this kind of content, and it helps push out my content, so it really does help me. With that being said, if you're getting ready for your Disney trip, I hope you guys have the most magical time, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.